Is that constant dripping from your tap driving you mad and wasting your money? I'm going to show you how to stop that annoying drip in just 10 minutes with no special tools needed. First up, let's figure out where the water is coming from. Is it dripping from the end of the spout, or is it leaking from around the base of the handle? Knowing this helps narrow down the problem. A quick safety note: if you're renting, it's always best to check with your landlord before trying any fixes, especially if you're not confident. Right, let's get started. If water is running freely and not just dripping, you'll need to turn the water off. Look for a small valve under your sink, often with a little lever or a slot for a screwdriver. This is the isolation valve. Turn it fully clockwise to shut off the water supply just to this tap. Before you do anything else, pop a bowl or a small bucket under the spout to catch any water that's left in the pipe. Now, for the first and simplest fix. Believe it or not, parts of your tap can sometimes just work themselves loose over time. Try to tighten everything by hand. Gently grip the main body of the tap and see if you can turn it clockwise. Do the same with the spout, and especially the very end piece, which is called the aerator. Give them a firm but gentle twist. Don't force anything. Once you've tightened what you can, turn the water back on slowly and see if the drip has stopped. A lot of the time, this simple step is all it takes. If it's still dripping, the next likely culprit is a blocked aerator. This little mesh filter at the end of the spout can get clogged with limescale and grit, which stops it from sealing properly. See if you can unscrew it by hand by turning it anti-clockwise. If it comes off, you'll probably see some white, crusty buildup inside. Take a cloth and give the mesh a good wipe to remove all that gunk. You can also rinse it under another tap to get it really clean. Once it looks clear, screw it back on, making sure it's hand-tight, and test the tap again. Still with me? If that pesky drip is still there, here's a temporary fix that can give you some peace and quiet. Especially if you're waiting for your landlord or a plumber. Take a small, strong rubber band and wrap it tightly around the joint where the spout meets the main body of the tap. If you don't have a rubber band, a small strip of cloth tied very tightly can also work. This creates a temporary seal and can often reduce or even stop the drip for a short while. Remember, this is just a temporary solution, so you still need to get the underlying problem fixed properly. It's also important to know when to stop. If you've tried all these steps and the leak is still there, or if any parts are seized and you can't move them by hand, don't be tempted to grab a wrench and force them. You could end up making the problem much worse. At this point, it's time to call in the professionals. If you rent, contact your landlord or letting agent. If you own your home, it's time to find a qualified plumber. I hope that helped you fix your dripping tap. If it did, why not subscribe for more quick and easy home fixes? And be sure to save this video for the next time you hear that drip, drip, drip. Thanks for watching.